Hey guys, Rick Kern of TV Scaly Adventures. I'm out here at beautiful Lake Jocassee. Just came through a driving rain to get here. But you know what, one of the things that's really cool is we're kind of excited because we've gotten some gear from our friends at North American Rescue. They are guys that create all the life-saving special equipment that goes to the military, law enforcement, and they even let little old me get some of it. And I'm really excited because they have an outdoorsman line. And here it is. This is pretty cool. It's been under my foot the whole time. And the reason is I wanted to show you guys, this is really cool. This is their Micro-IFAK, and that's an individual first aid kit. What's awesome about it is that you'll see it has everything inside of here that you would need if you are in a backwoods emergency. Everything from their famous cat tourniquet to their compression bandages, even down to good old-fashioned band-aids. But what's really amazing about this thing is it's literally waterproof. It comes in a waterproof container. I came through a terrible storm to get to this location, and every part of my bag got wet except for this guy right here. And what is also cool about this is because it comes in this vacuum sealed package, if it were to be compromised, you would know it because then that would be bulging. But this is really nice heavy duty plastic. It'll last you for years. Highly recommend it. Check them out at North American Rescue.